Welcome to this lesson on how to search the internet. This module will show you some common search techniques that will enable you to get exactly what you're looking for faster. I put the most useful ones in this video, but have included a link in the Things to Remember section if you wanted to know more. The first search technique that we will go over will be using the money sign. With this filter, we can search for an item by price. Let's say we're looking for a camera that costs $400. So what we would need to do is type in camera space $400 and then hit enter. So what this does is return the search with the keywords that we have entered that match $400. So let's say we're looking for a specific camera. What we can do is we can wrap that query inside of quotation marks. So let's say we're looking for a Canon camera. Now what we can do is just wrap that in quotes and then hit enter. This will bring us results that include our exact search terms. The next search filter that we'll go over is using a range of numbers. So let's say that we're looking for a camera that costs between $400 and $1,000. All we would need to do is put a period between the two prices and then hit enter. And this will bring us cameras that are within this price range. Now what we can do with everything that we learned is we can combine them to get a better search. This is where the magic happens. So let's be specific in our search. So let's say we're looking for a Canon 7D, which is a specific Canon camera between the price of $700 and $1,000, and then we're going to wrap the search query in quotes. And then hit enter. This will only yield results that match our specific search terms within the quotation marks. Well, that concludes our discussion for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.